This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include an off-road package, the luxury seating package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a rear-view camera, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, air conditioning, cruise control, automatic locking wheel hubs, 12-volt power outlets, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, and a vehicle anti-theft system. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Burns Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2001 Charlotte Highway 521 in Lancaster.